Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how do you know if your speaker JBL Boombox 4 is charging. So we have two options how to check it. The first one, we can connect the speaker to the power. At the back side on the speaker, let me turn over it for you. So right here we have the plug with the model name. You need to open this plug, and right here we have charging port. You need to use the cable, the charging cable, what you receive in the package. Connect it to the speaker. And then to the power. And now, on the front side, at the speaker, so right here we have the LED light, meaning that your speaker is charging. The second option is to use an application to check it. So firstly, let me put this phone. You need to open JBL Portable app, and of course you should add your speaker to the application. Your speaker should be connected and turned on. Then the application open for you the speaker menu. So right here we have battery level and we have this line. Now I connect the speaker to the power. And as you can see, this line changed color to green, meaning that your speaker is charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!